Today we discuss about function procedures and sub-procedures. Function procedures. Definition and purpose in Visual Basic. Syntax and examples of creating and using functions in procedures. Sub-procedures. Role and differences from function procedures. Practical examples demonstrating sub-procedures. Advanced use of procedures and functions. There are advanced techniques are there. Passing arguments by value and by reference. Recursive procedures and function. Error handling with procedures. One-dimensional arrays. Arrays in Visual Basics. We use one-dimensional arrays and we can use declaration, initialization and manipulations of arrays. Arrays with more than one dimension. So we are using multidimensional arrays. Some of the practical examples for using multidimensional arrays. Using lists and arrays with functions and procedures. Integrations with functions and procedures. So we can able to pass the arrays to function and procedures. For example, processing of arrays by using functions and procedures. The with statement and enums. So the with statement, repetitive objects, property assignments. For example, demonstrating the use of with statement. Enum. Enum is nothing but enumerations. So some of the benefits using enumerations in Visual Basic. And we use use cases and practical applications. Control arrays, list and combo boxes. In Visual Basic we are using lists and combo boxes. The control arrays, some of the advantages for controlling arrays. For example, list boxes and combo boxes. Menus and MIDI forms. We are using in VBs menus and MIDI forms. So these are the forms while creating menus using menu editor, creating MDA. MDA is nothing but multiple document interface. It is used in VB. Introduction to database. First, we have to know about fundamentals of database. Database is nothing but database management systems. So we know about some of the basics of database. Role of database in software development. Working with data control. So the data control in VB, so we can able to use the data and binding the data. So connecting the Visual Basic applications by using the databases. Coding bound controls. Bound controls. Coding techniques for interacting with bound controls. Examples of manipulations through bound controls. Data access object. Functions of JET database engine. So in this role, so we can able to access the data in data access object. Understanding the data access object model. Crystal and data reports. Crystal reports. The Crystal reports for report generation. Steps to create and customize reports using Crystal reports. Data reports. The data reports will be generated using Visual Basic. We can able to create and manage multiple reports in data reports. Creating multiple reports. Practical application. So demonstration of creating and managing multiple reports Examples: scenarios showcasing report generation in VB. Thank you.